Nestled within the bustling city of El Paso, Texas, lies a unique testament to international friendship and peaceful resolution of conflict, the Chamizal National Memorial. This remarkable site commemorates the amicable settlement of a century-long boundary dispute between the United States and Mexico, serving as a powerful symbol of cooperation and understanding. As you explore the memorial, sweeping vistas of the borderlands unfold before you, with the U.S. and Mexican flags proudly displayed against a stunning mountainous backdrop. This poignant reminder of the power of diplomacy is sure to inspire visitors to reflect on the significance of resolving international issues through negotiation and dialogue. Chamizal National Memorial is much more than just an urban park. It's a vibrant cultural center that offers a wealth of activities celebrating the unique arts and traditions of the border region. Immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of local and international arts with frequent events, exhibitions, and performances that showcase the area's diverse cultural mix. Take a leisurely stroll through the park's lush landscapes on one of its multiple trails, offering both recreational and educational experiences. Cyclists and hikers can enjoy not just physical activity, but also learn about the region's history and environment. Settle down for a delightful picnic with friends and family in designated picnic areas that provide a relaxing space to enjoy local cuisine or a homemade meal. Explore the nuances of the park's history with guided tours or self-guided walking tours, revealing stories embedded in Chamizal's grounds. Interactive and hands-on programs like the Junior Ranger program engage younger visitors, teaching them about the importance of international peace and cultural respect. Keep an eye out for the various species of urban wildlife that call Chamizal home, including a diverse range of birds that make birdwatching a delightful pursuit. Gain deeper insights into the Chamizal story with the park's informative film and museum exhibits, which provide context and background to the memorial's significance. For art enthusiasts, the Franklin G. Smith Gallery within the memorial is a must-see. The gallery celebrates local and regional artists, offering ever-changing exhibits that explore themes pertinent to the borderland experience. Chamizal National Memorial is more than just a charming urban escape. It's a living monument to cooperation and the lasting friendship between two nations. Whether you seek a peaceful stroll under the vast Texas sky or a deeper connection with the region's heritage, Chamizal invites you to appreciate the historical significance and cultural vitality that define this special place. With an array of activities that blend recreation with education, Chamizal is ready to welcome you to a park that bridges nations. Learn more at mustdothings.com. Be sure to subscribe for many more inspiring videos about national parks.